Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Press. So let's start our current affairs of July 28, 2021 from today's importance. So on this day, it is celebrated as World Nature Conservation Day and World Hepatitis Day. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on 28th July every year to recognize that healthy environment is a foundation for a stable and productive society and for future generations. We must protect, conserve and sustainably manage our natural resources. And World Hepatitis Day is observed annually on 28th July to generate an opportunity to set up national and international efforts on hepatitis. And the first question is, Momiji Nishia becomes first women's Olympic skateboard champion. She belongs to which country? And the options are A. India, B. Russia, C. Japan and D. China. And the correct answer is C. Japan. She won women's skateboarding gold at the age of 13 years and 330 days. And the second question is, who among the following won the prestigious Eisner Award? And the options are A. Anand Radhakrishnan, B. John Pearson, C. Ashtray and D. both A and B. And the correct answer is A. Anand Radhakrishnan. And the second question is, who among the following won the prestigious Eisner Award? And the options are A. Anand Radhakrishnan, B. John Payson, C. Ashtray and D. both A and B. And the correct answer is A. Anand Radhakrishnan. Graphic artist Anand Radhakrishnan won the prestigious Eisner Award. Anand Radhakrishnan shares the award with UK-based colorist John Payson. They won for their work on Ram V's 145-page graphic novel, Blue in Green. The Eisner Awards were founded in 1988 by American comics editor Dave Aldrich. The Eisners are named in the honor of the pioneering writer and the artist Will Eisner. The awards are announced each year at the San Diego Comic Con. And the third question is, which of the following state launched the MyGov Mary Sarkar portal? And the options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Arunachal Pradesh and D. Gujarat. And the correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Through this portal, the people of the state can give various feedbacks to the government, and the UP government can also inform them about the various schemes of the state. And the fourth question is, which of the following state CM B.S. Yediyurappa has announced his resignation. And the options are A. Kerala, B. Goa, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Karnataka. And the correct answer is D. Karnataka. He served as the Chief Minister of Karnataka from 26 July 2019 to 26 July 2021. Yediyurappa served as the Chief Minister of Karnataka for 4 terms. He is an 8-time MLA from Shikaripura constituency, Shimoga. He also served as Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka from 2006 to 2007. And the fifth question is, who among the following was conferred with the prestigious Alexander Dalrymple Award? And the options are A. Dr. Vinay Badwar, B. CNR Rao, C. Lieutenant Narendra Lokamanya, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Dr. Vijay Badwar. Award recognizes Badwar's work in the areas of hydrography and nautical cartography. Received the award from the British High Commissioner Mr. Alex Ellis. And the sixth question is, veteran Jayanti Kamala Kumari passed away recently. She is renowned for which of the following profession? And the options are A. Doctor, B. Actress, C. Psychologist, and D. Director. And the correct answer is B. Actress. She made her debut in 1963 with the Kannada film Jenu Goodu. The Kannada film industry has honored her with the title Abhinaya Sharadi. She had received 7 Karnataka State Film Awards, 4 times as Best Actress and twice as Best Supporting Actress. She also won President's Medal for the Best Actress and 2 Filmfare Awards for Best Actress. And the 7th question is, which of the following bank's branch has been inaugurated in Rashtrapati Bhavan? The options are A. HDFC Bank, B. Union Bank of India, C. State Bank of India, and D. Bank of Maharashtra. And the correct answer is C. State Bank of India. And the 8th question is, Indian weightlifter Shaikham Mirabai Chanu was appointed as which of the following position? And the options are A. DGP, B. Additional DGP, C. SP, and D. Additional SP. And the correct answer is D. Additional SP. Mirabai Chanu appointed as Additional Superintendent of Police. And the 9th question is, which of the following state has announced to increase DNS allowance from 17% to 28%? And the options are A. Gujarat, B. Haryana, C. Himachal Pradesh, and D. Telangana. And the correct answer is B. Haryana. Haryana state government has announced to increase DA from 17% to 28%. And the 10th question is, which of the following country has most cultural sites inscribed on UNESCO's World Heritage List? The options are A. Italy, B. China, C. India, and D. Russia. And the correct answer is A. Italy. Italy has 57 sites inscribed on UNESCO's World Heritage List, followed by China with 56 cultural sites and India with 39 cultural sites. And the 11th question is, which of the following organization has sanctioned $250 million to HDFC Bank? And the options are A. Central Bank of India, B. SEBI, C. BSE, and D. IFC. And the correct answer is D. IFC, which is called as International Finance Corporation. It is to boost green housing finance in India. And the 12th question is, which of the following institute has been placed in the list of Nature Index 2021 Material Science Tables? And the options are A. National Center for Biological Sciences, B. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, C. JN Center for Advanced Scientific Research, and D. both A and C. And the correct answer is C. JN Center for Advanced Scientific Research. Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research has been placed in the list of Nature Index 2021 Material Science Tables. And the one-liners today are: Quanzhou Emporium of the World in Songyeon added to UNESCO's World Heritage List. Kakatiya Rusheswara Temple, Telangana added to UNESCO's World Heritage List. India's 39th UNESCO's World Heritage List inscribed the Kakatiya Rusheswara Temple from Telangana. Trans-Iranian Railway added to UNESCO's World Heritage List. Trans-Iranian Railway added as Iran's 25th UNESCO World Heritage List. Paseo del Prado and Buen Retiro, a landscape of arts and sciences. Forty-ninth World Heritage Site of Spain. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.